invest in one of the little muffs that goes on the end of your phone or your camera. I guess you could use it on a regular camera. I don't know. Anyway, it blocks wind noise. And I've had this little wind muff. Actually, some people call them dead cats. I call it a bunny tail. Got my phone a bunny tail. But I've had it for a couple months and I haven't used it really much. So I'm putting it to the test today. I mean, literally, it doesn't look like the wind's blowing very hard. Just short little video just to catch everybody up on like an early 2000s. I think it's a 2002 Chevy Silverado. It's a V6, so it's not going to be too bad on gas. I love the truck. It's a beautiful black, shiny black truck, gray interior. I 100% trust the person I bought it from. However, I didn't know it was going to need, and neither did he, it was going to need a fuel filter. Now we found out that all along it wasn't the fuel filter, or the fuel pump, not a fuel filter, a fuel pump, sorry. But that's not what it even was. It was the starter. So I still don't have my truck here, but I will. I will. Hello, hello. Heard some birds up there a minute ago. Anyway, I'm inside the fenced off area my dogs stay. I think it's time for some fresh water. I've actually never filmed this over here. Well, because in a way it just looks junky. But this is my side fence. This is in the area where the dogs stay. This is on the other side of the fence. It's not mine, it's my neighbors. They're really cool people. But I'm only showing it because it's such cool old wood, old buildings. She had a bunch of wind chimes at one time hanging out here, and she just come over the other day. I hadn't seen her really in a long time for her to be my next door neighbor. And she said somebody at some point came through here and stole all the wind chimes, which is really, really weird because nobody should be up in here. Cool. Now, that's either some good firewood or a good fire hazard. These are those big old trees that scare me during the ice storms. Really should have got these trimmed up before now. Actually, I think now is a good time to trim trees. I can't remember. But look at how this is not going to make it through another ice storm. Right above my big good shed. Really got to get something done about that. I mean, it's the neighbor's trees, but I don't mind helping at all. birds. I don't mind helping at all. Look at that one. If they could get the equipment, a ladder. That branch is way bigger than it looks on camera. Chairs are getting all blown around. Oh, that one got blown over again. Sometimes think it's better just to leave them down. No, stay. I'm going out the gate. I don't want them to follow me. Good boy, stay, stay. Good boys. Alright. Don't usually go out the gate with them standing right here. Stay. Whoops. Stay right there and wait on me, okay? Be good boys. Stay right there. We're going to take a walk down here to the mailbox. Oh yeah, so the city, or whoever, the power line people, maybe it was the electric company, came by today. I heard them out here and they were cutting some of these. They just kind of left the mess. I'm walking out to the mailbox. I hate having to walk down the highway to get to my mailbox. Good exercise, I just don't like it when traffic goes by. It's so loud. But I opened a new bank account a couple weeks ago. I'm supposed to be receiving some important paperwork from the bank. It still hasn't arrived. Okay. Nothing. I'm really tired of this. Well, it's not coming from all that far away. I could have almost just went there and got it. I don't know. So in the meantime, can't use my debit card. Our vehicles here, they're not mine, and my son's pickups. Y'all are good boys. My son's pickup's been acting up, so don't really want to ask him for a ride. Get back, boys. Hey. Oh, they think this wind muff thing is an animal. They keep jumping up, snapping at it. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a really great Thanksgiving. I mean, if you are alone, FaceTime somebody. Watch some live streams. You don't have to be all alone. And if you get the chance to, I forgot the water, spend some time with family, do it. But just remember, everyone's important. Huh, Striker? Everyone. Huh, Maverick? Sorry, I got cut off there, so I'm going to say it again. Just remember, if for some reason you are alone on a holiday, in reality, it's just another day. Don't let it get you down. Don't let it get to you. Don't let it make you depressed. I've been completely alone on Easter Sunday the last 2 years in a row. The first year, I was really letting it get to me. But then the second year, it wasn't for any big reason. It just worked out that way. But the second time I thought, you know what? I'm not letting it bother me. It's just a day. But as far as the Thanksgiving, sure, being with family and friends is great if you can. If not, it's just another day. And any day you spend with friends and family is a reason to be thankful. So get together with them when you can. Don't let it bring you down. Okay? Because I love you. Thanks for watching, guys.